up to the whisper of the waves upon the shore, and smile at your letters peeking out of those spice-scented drawers. Knowing you're on the other side, I look out to the sea and send my love on velvet wings till you come back to me. 'Cause I wanna spend my life with you and show you things I know. Travel like an ocean bird wherever we may go, like the deep green sea that is calling me, like an ocean bird sailing across the sky. Have you ever noticed the sunshine reflecting on the waves? In every dancing brilliant star, I see the smile upon your face. The sun sets on the waves tonight, I'll blow a kiss into the breeze and hope you catch it in your thoughts as you drift